Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is unique, creative and tricky in itself because in this video I'm sharing a very beautiful and unique concept of all over embroidery patterns, but the all over embroidery patterns are now being used for designing your baby dresses and your kurti, kameez, shirts and peplum as well. So we always do all over embroidery floral patterns as a all over spray to our shirt, kurti, kalidar or frock as well. But this video will give you ideas that how you can use all over design pattern, all over floral pattern as a neckline, as a beautiful sleeve border and many more creativity as for your trouser borders as well. But before going into the further details of this video, I have a simple request to you that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my video for the very first time, then friends, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, on my channel you can get wide variety of design ideas related to women fashion, hand art, hand embroidery, needlework, thread work, machine embroidery, digital embroidery, hand painting, crochet, art of knitting, different type of baby dresses, women dress designing ideas, formal, everyday, party wear, home decor ideas, bed sheet, pillow cover, cushion cover, embroidery patterns and many more creativity as per girls fashionable accessories also. So I only request you to watch the video till end so that you could get all the amazing stylish and trendy patterns of the very beautiful mini flowers, of the very beautiful all over embroidery patterns with a very beautiful and delicate touch of exquisite color combination of embroidery patterns. Friends, you can use these all over embroidery patterns for designing your baby girl dresses, for designing your shirts, kurtis, gowns and everyday normal comfy outfits and heavy outfits like formal outfits like designer sari, karidar suits, gown, maxi as well. You can also embroider these very beautiful pattern to give a unique and trendy look on for your sweaters, cardigans, hand knitted ponchos as well. So friends, I would request you to stay tuned for the latest new upcoming videos on my channel and keep watching our content, keep supporting us, keep loving us as you always have been, and leave massive comments below my video so that I could get to know what you feel about my content and what you want me to share with you in my new upcoming recent videos. Guys, we always try our best to reach up to your expectations. We always try our best to give you best accommodatable stuff as per your choices. So do try these patterns. The thread you can use for making these patterns is as per your own choice. You can use sewing thread as well, you can use anchor, you can use wool, you can use any type of silky thread to make these very beautiful and easy pattern. One all over embroidery pattern is a result of 1 minute effort only. All of these very beautiful, simple and easy to make mini floral all over embroidery patterns are extremely eye-catchy and easy to make. You can use the use of beads, you can add pearls to beautify the beauty of these very beautiful all over embroidery patterns as well. So with this, allow me to leave, and jazakallah for watching. Meet you soon in my new upcoming videos. Up till then, take care. And guys, one more reminder that the concern of our every video is to share creative ideas, not to copy someone's work.